Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove device supervision from iPhone. Method 1. Remove supervision via iPhone settings. Open your iPhone and tap Settings. Tap General. Tap VPN and Device Management. Tap the MDM profile. Tap Remove Management button, then follow the instructions to remove supervision. Method to use iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius to remove MDM. Go to iSunshare official website. Find iPhone Passcode Genius page. This software can remove the device supervision without password. Click Download to get it. Connect your iPhone to the computer and run the program. Choose Remove or Bypass MDM option on the screen. Your iPhone is detected here, and you should disable Find My iPhone before removing MDM. Now, click the Start button to remove the device supervision. Okay, you did a great job. Congratulations. See, the supervision message disappears. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.